Hey guys, are you looking for a perfect chair? There is gaming or office chair. Look no further guys, we got them right here. As you can see, came in a very nice big box. Now once you open the box, you get all of this. As you can see, I lay down all the pieces, so that's the best way to go. So that way you know where everything is. It's a very easy installation guys, so we have step by step over here. They also provide us a warranty, so if you do this, they're gonna give you 5-year warranty, which is very nice. And as you can see, step one, they want us to do this with this. It's very easy guys, and they provide us all the installation equipment right here, so anybody could do this. This is so simple. I'm not going to show you guys step by step because it's very easy and very simple. So let me go ahead and quickly build everything, and then I'll show you guys the chair. You could see, very nice. So let's go ahead and get to work. Guys, as you can see, our chair is very nice guys, super easy installations, very high quality leather. As you can see, super comfortable. Same thing with the handrest guys. You got, it goes up, goes down. This is the back. Let's go ahead and take a spin. As you can see, it's very nice guys. It makes a really high quality chair for your office, or if you want to do gaming or other purposes, you could do that as well. So as you can see, it's super comfortable, and then you could lower it. We have a lever right here. Ready, set, go. As you can see, I just lowered it. So you could high, you could do low. You got your handrest, comes up and downs, and very nice, super high quality leather chair guys, with a very easy installations. Definitely give it a try and let me know what you guys think.